In this video, we will guide you through the process to protect your privacy by sending photo and video that disappear after being viewed once. Firstly, make sure that your WhatsApp app already on the newest version. To check it, you can open on the App Store. After that, search for WhatsApp and you can see if your WhatsApp Messenger applications is already on the newest edition. After that, you can open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and then you can select the contact you want to send the disappearing photo or video to. For example, I'm going to send it to my other phone here. You can tap on the camera icon if you want to take a photo or record a video. Or if you want to take the photo from the file on your gallery, you can tap on the plus icon here and then select photo and video library. It's up to you. You want to take it from your gallery or you want to take it through your camera here. For example, I'm going to take it from my photo gallery and then just select the photo or video that you want to send. For example, I tap on this. After that, on the add a caption bar here at the right side, you can see the icon with number 1 here. Just tap on this to activate the view once feature. After that, you can tap on the send icon here. Then your video will be sent to your contact. Now let's check to my other phone here. I already received the video from my phone here. Then we can test it by tap on the video here. Then I tap once again. I already opened the video here. So, for example, I'm finished. I'm back. Then when I try to reopen it again, I cannot open it again. Let's try for the picture. For example, I'm going to send the picture. It's up to you. You want to take a picture from the camera, you can tap on the camera. Or if you want to take from gallery, you can tap on the plus icon here and then select photo. And then you can select the photo from your gallery, for example this. And then don't forget on the add a caption bar on the right side, you can tap on the 1 here, which will be activate the view once feature. After that, you can tap on the send icon here. Then you can see on my other phone, I already received the photo. Just tap on it to download it. Then tap once again and already open the photo. When I'm close it, then I cannot reopen again because I already view it once. And for your information, the video or the photo that you already received, it cannot be saved on your iPhone gallery or you cannot screenshot it. Let's try again. For example, I'm going to send a photo again. Then I'm select the photo here. Then I tap on the 1 icon here to activate the view once feature. Then I tap on the send icon here. When I already received the photo on my other phone, I try to tap it. I tap once again. When I'm trying to screenshot it, I cannot do it. That's for your information, and it cannot be saved on your iPhone or phone gallery. And that's it for our tutorial on how to send disappearing photo and video on WhatsApp using the view once feature. Remember, this is a great way to protect your privacy and keep your personal media secure. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful video here. See you again and have a nice day. Bye.